My channel has videos that are not made for children. This channel is also not made for children. It's made for adult toy collectors and toy buyers, such as parents or single people. If you're under the age of 13, please watch it just adults, or please leave the channel, or even watch it as an older teenager. Thank you very much and enjoy the channel. Hey everyone, how are you doing this wonderful every day? This is George, and today's unboxing. We're going to take a look at this neat little restock from the Barbie lotion series. I got it a few years ago because it's quite old. And now, let's take a look at the box and see what's on it. Here are the dolls that comes in the line. At least two of the dolls that come in the line, and I'm opinion, they're quite well out of Aaron's team. I do like this dress though, so if anybody has this dress and don't need it, please give me shout outs on Instagram. Here's the box again, and here's the box. It says it's made from recycled ocean-bound plastic, and the packaging is recyclable. And here's the age grade is 15 up. It says it's dollar made from recycled ocean-bound plastics. Here's the left side of the packaging. It shows all the items it comes with. It says big shack shelf, some tools, and other fun accessories. Here's the back of the box. It shows the shack again. And here's a picture on the shack. It's a Tosca back to. Here's the bottom of the box. It shows all the other items from the line. This goes about one plane sets. The beach plane set is I have already. I reviewed already. And a few dolls in the line. Although I'm not interested in the dolls. I just want this cute little rainbow dress. So if anyone has an extra, please give me a shout out on my Instagram page. And here's the side box again. It has the Barbie lotion logo on it. And now I gotta take out the box and show you guys all the pieces in it. Now I'm gonna take out the box and I want to show you guys okay this nice little touch and see how to insert the shack and put the shack together with. It's quite detailed as to still pictures I had to put together the beach shack. It's just cute they did that. Now onto the other items in the box. First one is this little Times compactor. And here this is the bag with the accessories in it. All but in a few minutes. Okay, I'm back and I'll show you guys the pieces to the shack itself. This includes the garbage compactor and the rooftop of the shack and the tier top of the shack and the shack itself. And this little rainbow striping on the shack. And I'm gonna put it together. I'll be right back. Okay, now I have this shack set up, and why it's not shack? I kind of wish that it was a little longer because you could hardly see the doll's head underneath the shack roof. What I like about it is that they got nice little nod to with Barbie from the 70s with the sunset bamboo sound on the front of the shack. And on the tabletop, they got pegs everywhere you can put all the baby pieces on the table without falling off. It's really cute. And they got hanging hooks where you can hang some stuff on. And these little starfish on here, I can paint those in the future. Here's another hook where you can put some things on right here. And here's the top. This I might paint in the future. It's actually really nice. And here's the trash can. So I'm not getting a good shot of it, but you get the idea. And now I'm going to show this these two guys. Now first off, you have these two stones that goes to the shack, which in my opinion they're kind of flimsy. So I couldn't wish that they made better quality. And they kind of up a little bit too. It's this one does. So yeah, they need to the better quality. And also comes with a paper menu table. No, actually it's not menu table, it's a menu sign it comes with. Oh, focus, there you go. And also comes with its own card scanner. Let's get some detail on it. And it comes, also has probably the most smallest guitar I've ever seen in my life. And it's a powerful drink. And an anthem to hang. And a drink. And a 2-piece blender, actually a 3-piece blender, because I gotta get the top of it out. Here's the top. Also, here's the bottle right here. And 2 ice cream cones, 1 strawberry and 1 chocolate. That's kind of different from the one on the packaging art. That's on the packaging art shows them. It also comes in a different mold. And these ones actually gets in right here. And here's the coconut drink. And here 2 bones. There's another one. Here's another drink. And a pair of bananas. A base on a popsicle. And another drink. And get some more drink. I actually put my little accessories in this little tub. Chicken salad tub I got from Walmart. And now more on the shack. And here are the Tabby shack all set properly. It's as a keep place set, in my opinion. And I highly recommend it. Here's everything on display on the shack. And here's a closer image of the trash can. And here are the shelves. I also like that the back of the stand is also 7 units. That gets you out the way. Back of the stand is also a small 7 unit. You can put the stuff behind here on the shelves. And now let's go on to 10. I'm actually going to give this 9 because the shelves are a bit flimsy. And that's a high recommended set. I got my Amazon a while back. I don't know if it's still available or not. Now I want to thank you guys for watching my So if you mean this Barbie store should be sank. If you want to see more reviews, please subscribe to our channel. I want to wish you guys happy every day and have a good week. I'll see you guys next week. Bye for now.